joyride to the canyon with Fred, Julie, Hallie, and Monty. Ready, set, let's go! Whew, that was crazy, wasn't it? Okay, well, alright, let's take a right here and let's go on down to the canyon itself. But first we got to pass through a little neighborhood. Some really amazing houses right along the side here. You just imagine the view from their backyard, which is just overlooking the canyon. Be able to go out and have a cup of coffee every morning, that'd be great. Well, anyways, as I come down here, we go in and, alright, well, let's start getting ready to go, because it's coming. Alright, here we go! Alright, as you can see over to the right, you're going to see some nice canyon golf course, and it's actually pretty nice. It's a great view. When you go down, you see the Snake River, you see the golf course, you see the water area where the recreation stuff is. One thing that when you're driving down, there's some things on the left here that you just don't notice as you're driving. Maybe as a passenger you might. But anyways, down along here, there's actually water that's seeping out of the side. You'll see it better when we come back up the canyon. There's also a couple of hidden gems here. I don't want to give away any surprises right now, but right here there's a hidden gem, and we'll see it when we come back up on this curve in a little bit. So anyways, I'm coming around the corner, and then we go down the next slope and further descend into the canyon. And there's actually 3 slopes that you do. There's 3 steps, I guess is the proper one. But anyways, there's the Perrine Bridge, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm sure some of the longtime Idahoans will correct me as need be. But that's where a lot of base jumping happens, and there's actually a little gem when we come back up that you'll see that I actually created. It's a special effect, but it looks pretty real. So anyways, coming around, and then of course I'm just an overly cautious driver. I let people go, and I'm not sure what they're gonna do. So anyways, coming along, we just see more and more things. For now, I'm just going to sit back as we make the final descent down into the floor of the canyon and come up alongside the golf course. And here we go. Right there looks like there used to be a zip line concession. I didn't see any activity when we went down on this day. This was on June 25th, by the way, and maybe by now, by the time I finish production, it might be operational, but that'd be cool. I'm not that adventurous. At 70, I kind of don't do stupid things like that anymore. So anyways, coming down, we see the final part. When I'm going to do a quick down, because further Down the road is the water treatment plant, and I just didn't want to keep recording that, so I'm going to do a quick flip here, and then we're going to go back. Alright, welcome back, and here we go. We're coming back up the canyon. Just an amazing sight to know that you can drive down. I got so many things I want to do in the future to record different things and see more, but today is just a drive around, nothing spectacular. As you're coming around, take a look up to the right here. It's like a little hidden waterfall right there. Remember I was mentioning it coming down, you can't see it, but you see it when you're coming back up, and it's just, I don't know, it's just amazing. I love waterfalls. I think anything natural like that is just amazing. So, anywho, just point that out. Now you're going to come up and see some magic here in a few minutes. Down to the left is that zip line thing. Also is there's a recreational area down there for various things. I think you can launch your boats and stuff. I'm not sure about that. Watch the bridge. There it goes. Now, for the record, that was not a real base jumper. That was a graphic I created and put in there to make it look like a base jumper. Not bad, but I had fun doing it. So, okay, we come up the second step. This is the middle step. We're going to really get to see that waterfall here in a second. It's really just shocked the heck out of me the first time I saw it. I just went, whoa, I didn't even see it. Even coming up on the lower step, I didn't see it. I didn't see it till we making the curve. And it just totally surprised me. So anyways, as I'm coming up, here we go. Oh, okay, like I said, a real hidden gem. Isn't that pretty? Oh, man. Now, you'll also notice as going up here, I mentioned on the way down, there's some things that you don't see. On the right, you see the water seeping, you see the glistening of the water on this. It's kind of like a very small sheet of water that's falling down in those areas, seeping out from the rocks and coming down. So I can quite understand why they say there's fallen rocks here, because the water is eroding things behind it that are holding the rocks and stuff. It's pretty cool. Here's some more. You don't really see that on the way down. So it's on the way up, you get to see more and more of that. A lot of moss growing there. Completes the grand tour of the canyon in just one spot. There's so many areas to go. This is just our very first adventure. I hope you enjoyed it, and I guess we're going to head back home now as we come out of the canyon. So take care. Talk to you when I get to the house. Okay, thank you much, folks. See you next trip. We'll be going out for rides every week or so, and I'll try to get a video up at least twice a month. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.